I'm Tom Lamb. I'm CEO and Director of J2 Metals, Inc. We are a pre-IPO explorer based in Vancouver, Canada. We have 3 projects at the moment. Our first and most important project is in Alaska, near Chicken, Alaska, population 12. It's called the Napoleon Project. It's a partnership, even though we own 100% of it, with Kenorland. And Kenorland is a prominent, very well-known explorer. Again, we own 100% of it. It is a license surrounded by gold-bearing creeks. They have produced at least 500,000. These are known and declared placer gold ounces. So who knows what the actual production has been over the years. And we are engaged in what is effectively a lode hunt. We're looking for the hard rock source of all this placer gold. So we're doing this with Kenorland. We do have the only known hard rock occurrence in the area. It's on our license. It was a grab. It was graded 593 grams per ton gold. There's historic drilling from Teck, Kennecott, 20 years ago. An example of an intersection is 74 meters of 0.9 grams. So in partnership with Kenorland, we are exploring the Napoleon project. That's our number 1 project. We're quite excited. Project number 2 is called 20 Mile. That's in British Columbia, right up against Northwest Copper's Quanica project. Just the other day, they announced a really interesting intersection, 10 meters of 30% copper. And we're right up against them and their Quanica project. And just a little further to the southeast is the Mount Milligan mine. So this is our 100% owned 20 Mile project. Our third project is called Miniac, and that is in Quebec, near Val d'Or. And it's a gold project, which we've drilled. That's our third most important project. So we are pre-IPO. We have just completed a 1,500 meter RAB drill program on Napoleon. We finished that at the end of September. And it is now, today is November 18th, I believe, 2021. Next week, we should see the lab results from that drilling at Napoleon. That's going to be a big milestone. We're going to confirm preliminarily what might be there at Napoleon. So we're excited about that. Upcoming, it will be our IPO. It's planned at the end of Q1 2022. Again, Tom Lamb, CEO and Director, securities lawyer. I have been involved in a number of public and private companies over the years. Co-founder and executive and director of M2 Cobalt. We built that from scratch and sold it to Jervois Global, one of the world's leading cobalt companies. I was on the board of Uzhhorod-Zolotsa. That's one of Russia's big gold producers at the time. It was second largest gold producer in Russia. And it built a number of companies and had exits. My fellow director is Toby Pierce. He's a very well-known person in the mining space. He's a former partner at GMP in London, and he's CEO of Tag Oil in Vancouver. On the board and has built a number of companies in the mineral space. Our VPX is Graham Giles, involved in a number of interesting companies, Keegan, currently Argonaut, others. And our fourth key person is Richard Hasslinger Jr., helped discover the Pebble Mine, and he's been involved in a number of other discoveries, Esese in Ghana with Keegan. And our CFO and corporate counsel are Chris Belchins and Pino Peroni. They are excellent people. We're extremely happy to have them as part of our team. You know, it's interesting, we are pre-IPO, but we've all been involved in exciting deals, built companies, and we intend to do that with J2 Metals. We have really good shareholders, excellent management, good projects. So, we look forward to building a company. I think investors are going to be very happy if they get involved with us. This is a surprisingly excellent Because of COVID and the mineral sector has been over the years, there's been some uncertainty, but this has been brilliant. We're very happy to be here, and it's been, the organization has been top notch. I'm going to recommend it to everybody.